Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Simple Homemade Projects. In this video, I am going to build a PWM Motor Speed Controller based on 555 timer IC in astable mode. Here I have already drawn the schematics along with the PCB layout and routing. For this project, I am using Easy EDA, the free online EDA tool. I have kept all the tracks on the bottom layer as I am going to build the PCB at home using the toner transfer method. After taking the printout on the photo paper, I put it on a piece of copper clad board. I lined the copper clad with the board outline on the photo paper. First, I put the board on the top side, ironed it for a couple of seconds until they both get sticked, followed by switching the sides. Then I ironed it again for a couple of minutes. This method helps in getting the perfect results of toner transfer. After cooling the board for a while, I removed the photo paper from it. Here you can see the results yourself. Next, I took a sharp knife and removed any anomalies in the toner transfer, such as fusion of two closely spaced tracks. Then I took a plastic container, filled it up with ferric chloride solution and put the copper clad board inside the solution. I shake the container during the etching process to speed it up. Once the etching was complete, I carefully removed the PCB from the solution using tweezers, then washed it thoroughly using tap water. Here you can visualize the etching results I have obtained while making this PWM controller. Next, I took my homemade mini Dremel tool, inserted the appropriate drill bit, powered it up and drilled all the required holes in the PCB. Then I scratched the PCB with steel wool to remove the toner from the copper traces. We need the following components: 555 timer IC, 100 kilo ohm potentiometer, TIP122 transistor, 1 and 4007 diodes, 100 nanofarad capacitor, 1 kilo ohm resistors, terminal blocks. Next, I turned on my soldering iron and soldered all the components at their designated place as they were shown in their 3D view. I connected a 12 volt DC motor along with my power supply set at 12 volts. As you can see, by turning the knob, I am able to control the RPMs of the motor. Here I have connected a 5 volts DC geared motor. You can monitor the RPMs on the tachometer. If you find it interesting, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.